Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking channel, and for today's video, andito ako sa may Sea Life, dito sa may Siam Paragon, at papanoorin natin yung mga pating at iba't ibang klaseng mga isda, at sasakay kami sa bangka na yung floor is salamin. So let's go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Uy, nako, matapak ako sa ano. Ano lang siya, salamin yung naapakan ko. Oh.
สวัสดีครับ Hi Welcome everyone to Sea Life Bangkok. I welcome you guys to class bottom board activity. For this activity we have to lose. For your own safety please do not push your hand. We have stingrays. We have some kind of really look like shark as well. Smiling fish and
My God, ayun o, lalaki.
yeah, you're gonna see all of them. And that is the first one that is
this
the
one.
biggest species of shark in here. They are sand tiger sharks. Sand tiger sharks.
Oh my God.
Yeah, sand tiger. And next, under the boat, you're gonna see that human fish. Oh, and that shark! Look at that little shark that is not baby. But someone thought they're baby because it's too small, like baby. And actually, that one is just tiny shark. They are black-tipped shark. Black-tipped
Sure.
shark. That is Chinese. Oh, and look at that big one. Do you know what's that fish? What's that?
What is that, Jack? He says a big fish.
Big fish. Yeah, absolutely. ปลากระเบนใช่ครับ จริงๆ แล้วเจ้าปลาตัวนั้นคือปลากระเบนครับ Actually, that one is a ray. But someone thought they're shark because some parts of their body look like sharks. Like their tail, like their fins, like that. It's called Bomo Kitafish. Bomo boat. Her name is Susie.
Too big.
ใช่ครับ พี่คนนี้มีชื่อว่าซูซี่ เป็นปลากระเบนโรนินเพศเมียครับ ชื่อเล่นชื่อซูซี่ ซูซี่มีแค่ตัวเดียวเองในนี้นะครับ แค่ตัวเดียวเงาๆเลย
Very sorry siya.
Actually, it's not real. Everything, every decoration here is not real. It's made from fiberglass and plastic. Their names are Mr. Joe, Mr. Big Papa, and Mr. Megatron. Oh, look at his tail. How about this one?
Ayan ang
This
dalawa. Oh.
is Mr. Megatron.
Wow.
Mr.
Love
Megatron. He's too big, right?
It's too big.
About this shark, about this kind of shark, they can grow up to 3 to 4 meters. 3 to 4 meters. And they can weigh up to 150 kilograms. 150 kilograms. That's too much, right?
Stingray?
Okay, and that stingray. That
This one?
stingray on the floor, that one.
Yeah.
But that one, yeah.
Wow.
Their pattern is look like leopard, right? So we call them leopard ray. Leopard stingray. The leopard stingray is taken up. She always living like that around here. Oh, and another one. That one is called Bomo. No, it's called black marble ray. Yeah, black marble ray. Look at the back on the body. This look like rocks, look like a stone, right? So that's why we call them marble. Black marble ray. not eyes. That is not eyes. It looks like our nose. It's called spillable. ต้องจับแยกเข้ามาในแทนนี้อีกรอบหนึ่ง Alright, you guys, look at this side. Look at here. You got
Right now,
and it's our Mr. Surgery Executive. Why we put them here? Because I told you we have some big pressure. Like,
Mga pating!
it's not good for them.
Wow!
That's one Mr. Kimbap. Mr. Kimbap.
Ang laki naman nito, oh.
It's all because
Ang laki nito, oh. Sarap itinabal. Di makita kasi kakulay siya ng ano, is tubig.
It's called golden tivari. They are tivari fish. About tivari fish, they always leave a scoop like this because they want to protect themselves from predator, from the sharks, from another big fish who can eat them. We have 4 kinds of tivari fish in here. We have golden tivari, big eyes tivari, giant tivari, and bluefin tivari. Do you know why the shark they won't eat any fish here?
Why?
Do you know why? Because they're full already. They're full already. Yeah, we need to feed them. We need to feed them until they're full. And after they're full, they're gonna sleep. But the sharks, they can sleep all the time. All the time. It looks like tuna fish, right? But it's not tuna. The tuna fish, they cannot be here. Because we feed the shark by tuna fish. So that's why they cannot be here.
Laki talaga. Malapitan talaga yung shark.